Okay, in this video we will demonstrate how to put together a rear 8-speed disc brake wheel. As you see, we have already put on the 180 rotor and we have already tightened it down with the lock washer using the tool that you can purchase. This side right here, you're going to want to use either one or two of these washers. We'll send out two, but again, it's trial and error. Slide it right on just like that. This bike gets a white lock washer on this side, and you will slide it just like that. Again, we recommend it being on the outside, facing the rear in the dropout. You will then take your nut and slide it over just like that. Okay, and this side right here, we will be demonstrating how to put on the shifter side of the 8-speed disc where the chain goes. As you see, we've already put on the 23T sprocket and we already have locked it down. Your next step is going to be to take this piece right here. It is like a plastic lock washer for the shifter. Slide it right down until it clicks like that. You're then going to take the shifter itself and align the red dots here with the red dots that are on the axle right here. Once you do that, just slide it right on. You're then going to take the locking mechanism for the shifter with the yellow dot, align the yellow dot on the shifter with the yellow dot on the shifting mechanism, and then rotate clockwise until it locks itself in place. Your next step would be to take the chain tensioner, put the chain tensioner on like that, take the chrome lock washer. Again, we recommend you putting it in the dropout on the outside and facing the rear. You're then going to want to take the nut and tighten it down like that. And there you have your 8-speed disc rear wheel setup.